Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk you through the proper steps of how to replace the coils in your gas dryer. Okay, in order to replace the coils on your gas dryer, we're going to locate the coils first. They're these two black coils. We're going to remove the wires just by pulling. They have Molex plugs, but they'll pull off. You have to give them a little tug. Once you've removed the wires, there's two Phillips screws here and here that will remove the bracket. Once you've removed the screws and the bracket, then each of the coils will pull right up and off of the gas valve itself. Now for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and use the same coils we just removed. You're going to take and slip them over the gas valve shafts. Now when you get the cover, the thing you need to notice is on these coils, there's a little knob on the top of each coil. That's going to help you line them up to the shaft into the holes on the actual cover. So we're going to place this on top of the coils, twisting each coil until the knob lines up with the hole. Reattach the cover with the two Phillips screws. Then I'm going to reattach the wire plugs to the coils. Make sure you push it on hard enough to hear the snap. You don't want them coming off during operation. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to replace the coils inside your gas dryer.